Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Today, I'd like to share with you how I care for my outdoor plants around this time, rainy season, and temperature drops down to 30 degrees. So, the most important thing to do is to constantly check your plants. By doing so, you'll be able to find out if there's any pest, rotting, or any problem going on in your plants.
This one, I need to take out some of the dry leaves here. Looking good.
Going to take out this there's kind of like spill in here, so I'm going to make sure that it's dry, and that because that could cause rotting to the leaves. Even if I don't see any pest in my plants, I always spray them with alcohol water mixture just to protect the plants from getting any of those pests. If you want to get the recipe of the alcohol water mixture, just don't hesitate to comment in the comment section, and I'll be happy to share it with you. And also, I don't recommend using the alcohol, this kind of pesticide, for if you're growing vegetables. I have another pesticide, all natural garlic pesticide, that you can use for your vegetable garden or for your fruit trees. Just comment down in the comment section and I'll be happy to share with you the recipe. Now I'm going to take out the dry leaves. Taking out the dry leaves will not only clean your plants, but this is a good way to find out if there's a problem in your plants. Well, this doesn't look good. I think the leaves are starting to rot.
Kasi pag umuulan, tumatalsik dito yung water. So, I'll keep an eye on this one. So far naman, ayan yung ano niya, ilalim. Not too bad. Okay. So far, okay na siya. See this, dry leaves. Yan yung mga dry leaves. So far naman walang rotting na nangyayari, so I can just take out all the dry leaves. It's because of temperature, they're really struggling. Ayan, oh, ang dami kong kukunin. Ayan, oh. So unfortunately this is starting to rot, so I'm going to, and look at this, this is a pest here that I need to spray. And yeah, and I'm going to dry this really well and plant this in a different pot. So yeah, let's get this one, and we can spray this with alcohol. And that's the thing about an arrangement. If the other one has pest, then most likely it will spread really fast in your other plants. So make sure to spray everything. I see some rotting here right now. Look at that. So I need to see if I need to take out this plant, but this is looks okay so far. I just need to take out the rot area, the rotting area, and other than that, it looks good. So this is really wet in this side now. Oh my god, look at this. That looks bad. So this one, I think this is a sign that I have to take this out. It doesn't look good. See that? Oh my goodness. So I need to dry the whole thing. Take out the dry leaves and dry it out for at least a week maybe, making sure that it's completely dry. And I'll the same process, I'll do the same process, plant this in a different planter. Okay, this is an area that needs rescue, so I don't see any rotting anymore, but other than that, just dry leaves. I'll continue taking out the dry leaves, and this should be fine. So these plants are in shaded areas, so I'm going to switch this with my outdoor plants that's been wet from days of heavy rain. I want to make sure that my plants will get the benefits of rainwater, and also at the same time it will prevent the plant from soaking in the water for too long. That could lead to rotting and eventually kill your plants. Make sure to observe your plants. Some are more sensitive than the other. If you notice that the leaves are rotting, changing color, or wilting, you can place them in the shade, and if the roots are rotting, save the plant by taking the plant out of the soil, like what I did with my plants. For some places that get snow, I would recommend bringing your sensitive plants indoors if it starts snowing, or you can cover your plants with plant cover or garden blanket. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have questions, please comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing for more gardening tips.